Hi there. What if I told you that our social media agency is able to send you your most valuable customer, people who are celebrating a birthday? Yes, we're able to identify people who are celebrating a birthday, and we give these people a reason to celebrate at your restaurant. According to the National Restaurant Association, over 80% of people eat out on their birthday, and they spend an average of $78. But the best part is that a birthday guest rarely dines alone. They bring in friends and family, and they spend a lot more money than a regular guest in your restaurant. Our advertising strategy will send you these people. You see, here's how it works. Step 1. We run a unique ad on Facebook targeting people who have a birthday coming up. Step 2. The ad drives people to a special offer we have set up for them when they visit your business to celebrate their birthday. Step 3. Our reminder software automatically follows up with the guest, causing them to show up at your restaurant. This method consistently drives in new, happy customers, and I'm ready to prove it to you during the next 30 days. I know this makes sense and sounds good to you, so are you open to a brief 5-minute conversation to go over the next steps and to get started and to discuss what I'll need? If so, just reply back and give me the best number to call you on. Let's get this strategy started.